Hello, my dear students of class 5. This is Samreen here, and I am here with a video of grammar. So, today we are going to start lesson number 10, that is your personal pronouns. Okay, so let's start. So, this is your chapter. So, as you all know, that what is a pronoun? Okay, a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun, right? So noun also you all are aware that everything is noun. Okay. So you can see the first sentence. This is Manoj, and you can see the picture also. So we are talking about Manoj, right? Manoj is a famous writer. Manoj has written many books. Manoj also writes for newspapers and magazines. So we are continuously talking about Manoj. So, when we talk about one particular person, one after the another, means continuously we are talking about the same person, we don't have to write his name. Okay? In first line, we can write, means in starting, but after that, when we are talking about the same person continuously, we can use he according to the subject, because Manoj is a male, so we have to use he here. So you can see in second line also, here you can see he is a famous writer, he has written many books, he also writes for newspapers and magazines. Every reader likes to purchase books written by Manoj. Okay, so here it is written by Manoj, and here we have changed by him. So you can see he and him downside are used in place of a noun, and these are personal pronoun. Got it? He and him. Likewise, we can take another example. Before telling you that, let me tell you there are three persons, okay, in pronoun: first person, second person, and third person. So first we will study about first person. In personal pronoun, I am Ravi, my friends gave me a book. This photograph is mine. We should obey our parents, teachers, and elders. The people honored us. These articles of furniture are ours. So in these sentence, I, me, mine, we, us, ours, all are what? Pronouns. And these are all of no the first person, you can see, because we are talking about, means he himself is talking about, I am Ravi, he is talking about himself. Okay, so these all words, means all pronouns that are used for the person who is speaking, are known as personal pronouns of the first person. Okay, pronoun of the first person. Here you can see, this one you can see, pronoun of the first person. Okay, next, again you can see no sentences. You are a wise man, they praise you for your justice and mercy, this pen is yours. So here it is clearly mentioned कि somebody is talking about another person, right? Any other person, means that is a second person. So in these sentences, you, which is the subjective case, you objective case, and yours possessive case, are pronouns of second person. Okay, so all the pronouns that are used for the person spoken are called pronouns of the second person, means you. Okay, now come to the downside. Now read the following sentences. He is my brother, I met him yesterday. Okay, means somebody is talking about his brother. These clothes are his, she is my friend, means these persons whom the person is talking, they are the third person, right? The public welcomed her, this mobile is hers, they are famous sports persons. I always dreamt of meeting them. These magazines are theirs. So he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, all are personal pronouns, but of third person, pronouns of third person. Okay, means all pronouns that are used for the person spoken about are called pronouns of the third person. So this you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now turn the page. Here we can see you know one chart is there where you can find the subjective case, objective case of a singular for singular, then a possessive case also there. For example, I and my both are subjective and objective case. Then possessive case for I is my and me for mine. I, me, my, mine. Okay, used for both. And for no plurals also, singular and plural, you can see we, us, our, ours. So likewise you can see the chart here. Now what we have to do in exercise number A, you have to rewrite the following sentences by using personal pronouns in place of the words given in color. Okay, you all have to write full sentence again. Okay, and you have to write small one. Don't spread it like it should not come in this particular line, it should come in this particular within the line. Okay, so Harry lives in my neighborhood. Harry is a doctor. So no need to write Harry again. Harry lives in my neighborhood. He is a doctor. Alice teaches in a school. Alice speaks English fluently. So what we will do here, we will do she, we will change she instead of Alice. Okay. Then Neha writes short stories. Neha also participates in dramas. Neha writes short stories. She also participates in dramas. After putting full stop, you have to put, means you have to start with she. Ravi walks in the morning. Ravi goes to a nearby park daily. Ravi walks in the morning. He goes to a nearby park daily. Then Dinesh and Suresh work in an office. I am going to meet Dinesh and Suresh. Two persons we are talking about. So here we will write them. Means I am going to meet them. Okay. Then Mary and Shelley study in a school. Mary and Shelley always stand first in the examination. So Mary and Shelley study in a school. They always stand first in the examinations. Okay, you have to complete this page. Next exercise, exercise B, fill in the blanks in this conversation with suitable personal pronouns. So Tom, mummy, here we will write I am feeling very hungry, can you give me something to eat? Because Tom is talking to his mother. Mother, yes, what would you like to eat? Do you want a slice of cake or biscuits? Question mark. Tom, no, I do not want the cake. It is not fresh. Here, it is not fresh. Do you have some fruits? Mother, there are some apples in the refrigerator. You can eat them. Okay, so this you have to fill. And in learners drill, what you have to do actually, there are 5 blanks, means 5 sentences you have to make with means no you what is mentioned here, just see, write 5 sentences about yourself starting with I, and 5 sentences for your mother starting with you, and also write 5 sentences for your family starting with they. Means myself, mother and family, but they have given you a an option ki you have to start with I, you and they. So student, basically you have to write 5 sentences, but I want you also to write something from your side. So that's why I have written only 3 sentences. 2 sentences you all have to write by your own. That is your homework also. As you can see, I study in St. Mary's School. That is about yourself. Then I belong to Nagina. Then I go to school daily. Okay. As it is written here, you have to start with I. Then for mother, you are very kind. You do all household work. You prepare food for me. Okay. Then family, there are 4 in number. They are 4 in number. They love me very much. They praise me for my honesty. So students, please write 2 sentences more by your own. Okay, that is your homework. And we have finished lesson number 10, personal pronoun. If you have any problem, you can join live class. You should join. You can clear your queries, okay, with your teacher. So students, I am winding it up here. In the next video, I'll be giving you the next chapter. Till then, take care, study well.